Gasha again. No. Oh, one. Yeah, get for move. What? Because this one, man.
Police fire shot in public passenger vehicle in halfway tree this morning.
Fire shot through this brother. Police slap a shot through the car in our chair. Oh, humble class, suppose passenger in this lag. Suppose passenger in this. Now them police here get from bad to worse.
You know say public transportation, right, as some of that half a tree and police fire shot in at the back of the man vehicle. So the vehicle here, the driver still there in the vehicle. Half a tree black a Burger King. Fire shot. Shot go right through the back. Yeah, I don't want to go out there like them stop him. But some people say they never stop him. So I don't know, I just scare the shot them a fire and then when I go look at this I go on. But can you just imagine if somebody did in the back of the vehicle? Not even want to go out the back to go show the gunshot in the man. See they do, you can see the glass. Yeah, man, take off them badge, man. Them badge, man. Everybody have them badge. Who fire the shot? And him, who shot and fire the shot? The blackest one. The blackest one. See somebody just go close, see. Take off the badge, man. Yeah, fire the shot in a man vehicle, red plate, this, you know. And run at the back, you can imagine your fire. Me don't want.
Yes, my listeners and my subscribers, good morning, good evening, good night. So it's a big shooting with taximan and police going out of a tree. So me I say, on my case, what me really have to say about this is the transportation them, the transport authority people them, is them make the police fire shot in at the back of the taximan car or in at the front of the car. Some just assure you say, from one day, when you see me talk about the police and the transporter, them and the taxi man and the police and the transportator, pressure the people, pressure the taxi man them. So you see it here, this is lead up to. You understand? Me now for ask if the police them and the transportation them a work out a half a tree and I run down the taxi man them. And you see what them do? Them fire shot in the man vehicle. So at this me I try show you with the police them. Them don't know when to discharge and use them firearm. You understand? Be innocent people them kill. Be innocent people. Because a taxi man this way I drive. Why you gonna discharge a firearm now and I go shut off for the man? True the man now probably what me that say? I buy probably won't say. Or the man now stop. Only dep on a highway chase. Till you now fire shot in the car. I tell you now the transportation people them make you not do this to transport people them. You understand? But you know, no just appreciate taxi man from one day. So go and go look for some criminal man or not do certain things. You know just a pressure poor people, Suppose me even if a taxi man did get shot, but me I say suppose other people they inside a taxi. Or probably people go to India and through the back of madness we are going with taxi driver and post people them say let them out and them you would let them out. But suppose people in India and what somebody get shot or it did more dangerous than this. Boy, me I tell you say Jamaica a base slackness. It does start from up at the bigger heads come down to them police and soldier. Them nah deal with people with no right. I don't like this cause from one day I done been a talk about the transport people them. Oh them a deal with the taxi man them on the road and how them a behave. Them in full effect out for the January. I don't know them and the police see them way come out a pressure people a pressure. As I tell you now, my listeners and my subscribers, any local thing with the police them, or the transporter no take out on the phone and video because it are no proof, it are no evidence. And I notice all of the police them and the transporter them don't like when them see people take out them phone and a video. Them want to tell us if you lock off the live, put on your phone now and come and talk. Like, yo, I'm more video the situation. I feel threatened, I don't like how they deal with me. And I tell you, we know say things going all over the world, but come on, man, no make Jamaica I go in a them category there.